Hello everybody, I'm Bill the Drunken Sailor, and today I am enjoying one of my favorite cocktails. It was actually the first cocktail that was ever made. It's an old-fashioned. There have been many variations made over the years, and today I'm going to share one with you, and I want to know what you think about it. So what I'm going to ask you when we're done is I want your opinion. Is it something we're going to drink, or is it something we're going to dump? Well, let's get pouring. The Old Fashioned is considered the first cocktail ever made, and it's a very simple cocktail. Typically I use a rye whiskey and a couple of different bitters in mine. This one is going to keep it short and simple. We're going to start in there with a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Today I'm using a Demerara syrup, so it's a little bit richer in flavor, and we're going to put 1/2 ounce in there. My next ingredient going in there, and because this is a chocolate old fashioned, is going to be some chocolate bitters. And we're going to put 3 dashes in there. We've always had several flavors that complement chocolate very well. Chocolate on chocolate is always good. And you'll see in here we put an orange on there at the end. But we're going to follow this up now with some chocolate whiskey. Today I'm using Crown Royal, and for them it's a limited edition flavor, and it is really chocolatey. It's also pretty sweet in my opinion, which is one of the reasons I cut back on that simple syrup. If you find it's too sweet, cut back on the syrup. If it's not, then you can go, and we're going to put in there 1½ ounces. In there I now have my syrup, my bitters, and my whiskey. All we need to do now is put some ice in the glass, and we are going to ice it up, stir it up, and chill it down. I'm going to put 1 big cube in there. Get my spoon. While we're stirring, what I'm going to ask you to do is stick around to the end of the video. What I'm going to do is give you a couple of variations on this cocktail. Let you decide to see how you want to make it. Now that I've got it chilled down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 large ice cube, and we're using a large ice cube in there. That helps to reduce the dilution as you're sipping on your cocktail. I'm going to put that in there. We're going to grab our strainer. Today we're using a julep strainer on this, and we're simply going to pour over the top of that. We're almost done with it. Now what we need to do is garnish. And to garnish that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an orange, and I'm just going to take a swath of that orange peel. And you can see I've got the peel on there. It's got some rough edges. Let's clean it up a little bit. We're just going to take a knife and trim the sides of that. Get those out of the way. And there we have our orange peel. I'm now going to twist that, express some of those orange oils over there. And orange and chocolate, once again, another great pairing. We're going to drop that over there. Put that in there, and there is our chocolate old fashioned. The real test is now. Oh, it's better than a Hershey bar. It's not super sweet. Once again, we control that with our simple syrup amount. It's velvety. There's some notes of vanilla in there. There's the notes of chocolate in there. I want your opinion. Before I say it though, there are a couple of variations and you can customize it. One of the things, and you think about things that pair with chocolate. There's a Habanero Bitters, so a pepper bitters. Chocolate and pepper, those are a great pairing. Another one is cherry, chocolate and cherry. Chocolate covered cherries, we love that. There's a couple ways you can do that. One of them, cherry bitters. So you use those chocolate bitters, put a couple drops of cherry bitters in there too. Garnishing, how else do we do it? We can put chocolate, we can put cherries in there. So we can have a cherry garnish in there. And the last one that I'm thinking of, and I enjoy, and I like a lot of smoked cocktails, but do we take and smoke that with some cherrywood? I want you to decide. I want you to let me know, are you going to drink it or are you going to dump it? Cheers, everybody.